All right, what's up, everyone? We're gonna do a quick unboxing video. So if you are in video filmmaking, content creation, you know how important audio is. It's obviously 50% of video. If you did not know that, audio is 50% of video. So you want to make sure your audio is nice. So we have used Rode mics before. This is the Rode mic case. But they're like wireless little things. We got the Rode Go 2. These are nice little wireless little squares. Okay. This is probably the only cool thing to be a square is a Rode Mic Go. But so we have the Rode Go 2s, we got the Rode Go 1s, and we thought it'd be great to get another wireless mic to comparison. So DJI, if you're not familiar with DJI is the one that does all those mini drones and big drones with Mavics. They pretty much paved the way when it came to cinematic, affordable for cinematography, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but they also make drone in the air, like drones and stuff. And they also make gimbals and stuff too that we use here at EBG, but also they now have made wireless mics. So this is our unboxing video. By the way, DJ gave me this little, what do you call it?
That's a doohickey.
A doohickey. Changed my life. So we're gonna do this unboxing video. DJI just came out with, and we're not sponsored, or maybe you are. Who knows? Maybe you are sponsored. I don't know. Someday, DJI, if you want to throw us some gear, we'll absolutely be happy to do review videos for you. But this right here, DJI mic, it's a dual mic with a battery pack system, because I have a lot of complaints towards Rogo, but you know what? I already sent those emails out. One of them is not having.
Oh no, I was thinking one of my main complaints about it is how long it takes to charge.
It takes forever.
It takes forever.
Literally takes forever to charge. That's one of the biggest things, because like when you're on the go and you're like worried to charge it or anything like that, first of all, it takes forever to charge. Second of all, it's not really the best, most practical way to charge, because like you need like a bunch of USB-C cables, and especially if you have the Rode Go 2, you have to have 3 charging kind of ports and stuff, and you're like, my gosh, I don't have that many outlets and all that stuff. So one thing that I was really intrigued before I even purchased this is that it comes in a charging case. That's the most really interesting, fascinating thing. I'm like, oh, it comes with a case, and me with my ADHD, you know how much I love to fidget with stuff. I love cases. And if you didn't know that, now you know. And I don't know how to open this. Oh, obviously there's a green tab that says pull here. There's an arrow here, and it does say open there. So this is me not reading directions. So boop, boop, boop. Here we go. First opening of this packaging. I do love the packaging. What do you think, DJ? This package is really nice. It feels sturdy.
Anytime I'm like, oh yeah, that's nice.
Ooh. Okay, so you open this box, the very first thing you're gonna get is probably a case for it. Oh snap! Look at that little casey case. And when you look in this case, I'm sure it's gonna come with a bunch of cables.
Nice.
And a little cat.
A little dead cat.
Little dead cat. We'll explain what that does later. And it comes with a jack, headphone connecting jack. That's really cool. I love it already. Just the sleekness. Look at this packaging.
I do like that.
Feel it, DJ. Feel how sturdy, heavy that is.
Oh, that's nice. It feels solid.
It's a solid case.
Because like when you're doing a lot of the stuff that we're doing too, sometimes stuff just gets thrown into a bag. Like there's time permitting, you don't always have time to like put it in its little pocket. So
I like how this feels, because look, it's just like there's like nice ridges and stuff, and look at there's like LED lights here. I'm sure. Oh, it comes pre-charged. Look it, look it.
Oh, that's nice.
This is nice. Already a 10 out of 10 for me versus Rode. Sorry, Rogo. I know we've been family for years, man, but you got to catch up, man. Product development. What do you think? You take a look at that. It's magnetic. It's like
I do like the texture that makes it. And like I said, like this is something that like I would feel comfortable, like just
feels so sturdy.
Got to pop it in my backpack or like in a bag really fast, and I trust that it'll. That magnet's pretty strong too. Oh, you know what I see back here? So here's your receiver, obviously. Check this out. What's this situation?
Oh, different.
Ooh.
What?
So
you could pop it in
my
your
guess
phone.
is right here. Yeah, check this out. You can. Oh wait, maybe
that's
not.
A receiver.
Yeah,
that's a receiver. So that,
oh, right here. Check this out.
shut. Are you serious right now? You just popped
Boom.
that. What? And it goes.
Now it goes into your phone.
Your phone? I don't know if it'll fit my phone because of the case.
Oh yeah, that's the case. Here.
It's like the hardest thing to take.
Oh, whatever. You got to be thinking about this.
Dude,
Oh,
what?
with the case on.
What? Here's my password. 77. No. Sorry.
That's nice.
What?
That is sick. I like
Did they
that a
think
lot.
of everything?
I like that a lot.
So far.
Already, my life feels so much.
I'm swooned, DJI, and here's, look, I love good technology, right? I love good technology. I'm not an overhyped person, but when I see things that products do, like businesses do, that actually like, oh, this is nice, the unveiling of this, like already as a creator, I'm like, okay, you're checking the list off that I didn't even think about yet, and that's what's really exciting.
What I like about this too is whenever you, like for us, we already invested in lapel mics because you don't want this like big, like you see some people on YouTube and everything, and they just clip the square to their shirt, and so there's a really big annoying like blue, it's just heavy. So we invested in the lapel mic cables. What I like here is that like you can use this as your mic. So that already feels more natural in the hand. Yeah. But then there's already a headphone jack and everything.
This is what I learned. This is a magnet.
Oh,
so
shut
you
up.
could actually put this. That's a strong magnet. I can't even take it off.
Oh yeah,
but
yeah,
you could put it in your shirt and look at that. Look at that. You could what? It comes apart, so you could actually put it in your T-shirt or anywhere.
Oh really?
And,
oh wow.
Yeah,
okay.
Like, open it up. Like take off.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
That is a strong.
Oh yeah, here it goes.
Magnet, dude.
There it goes.
You could throw it anywhere without having to mess. Like it just looks so. Look how clean that is.
That's some QVC stuff right there.
Seriously, I feel like a salesman right now. But I I'm trying to find something wrong with
that. Is very nice.
System,
I will
like
say
that. I could be upset about, but
anyway.
Put it on the cage. Is it a magnet on the cage? No.
Aluminum probably.
All right. Well.
But here's this thing too. You can if you're a vlogger, boom, there's your microphone.
Oh, vlog.
You know what I'm saying?
It's really hard to find something negative to say about this.
Like that. That's dope.
Wow.
I'm actually pretty impressed. Like this does have that as well. Like it does have your. You can see underneath. It does have that as well. But like, I don't know, man. It's just the
sleekness.
Well, here we can compare.
Design.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Like
one is just gonna look a lot less weird in your pocket whenever you're traveling or something. Yeah. That's nice though. I like that.
Yeah. No. Okay. So, it's unboxing video.
It's not my video. Here you go.
Nah, it's our video. So I give this unboxing a 10 out of 10 until I find something wrong with it. We're gonna deep dive into just the like the sound quality. We'll probably do another video testing the sound. So unboxing wise and the sleekness, the packaging, I give it a 10 out of 10. Even like the user ability, I give it a 10 out of 10. So we'll do another video and actually test the sound, and we'll let you know what we think from there. So if it's not just like almost like a what's it called kind of experience,
like prisoner of the moment,
right? Yeah.
What was
so
the price point versus
this was $349. Wait, no, I'll give you the exact price point later. I think it's like I'll put the price point here. Yeah. And then compared to the Rode Go, obviously pricing is really important, especially as a creative or if you're a creator on a budget. Pricing is really key. They also make single ones, so this is a dual one. So the single one is probably like half the price, but we'll double check and make sure that you know. So that's it. Unboxing done. Boom.